Hello children, welcome to Sasu Fun Easy Learning. Today we are going to learn feeling and emotion. Let's start.
Happy,
I am happy.
sad,
I am sad.
angry,
Oh, I am angry.
scared,
Oh, I am scared.
surprised,
I am surprised.
excited,
Haha, excited. I am excited.
worried,
Worried. I am worried.
bored,
I am bored.
tired,
I am tired.
hungry,
I am hungry.
sleepy,
Oh, I am sleepy.
thirsty,
I am thirsty.
hot,
I am hot.
cold,
Ooh, I am cold.
sick,
I am sick.
quiet,
I am quiet.
cool,
I am cool.
oh, awesome,
I am awesome.
relaxed,
I am relaxed.
crying,
I am crying.
love,
I am love.
thanks,
I am thanks. Please like our videos and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for notification. Thank you.